Oh, what's in the box?
Hello and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. This time I've taken the time to cover up all of the address stuff on the box here so that, I didn't have to waste a whole bunch of time editing that, blurring it all out in post-production and all that. But let's open this thing up and see what we've got inside. So we got some packaging, just a basic paper, and then Google Pixel Buds. Now I got these as a little bonus when I bought my Pixel 6. You can check out the unboxing video for the Pixel 6. We'll put a link to that somewhere for you to check out. So let's see what we've got inside of here. This one doesn't have as nice of a opening as the Pixel 6 box did. That was very fancy. But we've got our handy case knife, pocket knife here to take care of that for us. So we've got this, which is the case for the buds. We'll open that up in a second. Got some packaging, some more packaging. Looks like it comes with a charging cord. The old USB-C to regular type. Nice long one too. What else is in here? One of these booklets about, stuff you're never gonna read, and then stuff you're definitely not gonna read. What do we have in here? Oh yeah, little different size things for different size ears. Got a few different sizes there, it looks like. Little ones, big ones. Alright, let's see what we've got in the actual charging case here. So this looks like it peels open like this. And you've got this little egg, charging cord in the bottom like that, and plug that into your wall charger thing. And then in there, you've got the two. Oh, we've got a little light. That probably indicates whether they're charged or not. I'm sure it says in the handy owner's manual here. We've got two of these guys. Nothing else in there. This is what charges them. And yeah, you just shove those in your ear and connect the Bluetooth and you're good to go. So that's another unboxing video from 64 Tacos. These are the Pixel Bud A series from Google. Maybe they go like that. It's nice of them to strap this to these booklets. nice box.